Hello, I am Vikrant. There is a certain relation between two given numbers on one side of sign and one number is given on another side of sign, while another number is found from the given alternatives having the same relation with this number. Choose the best alternative. The solution is 583 is to 293 in the same way as 488 is to what? If you look at the sum of the numbers, we have 5 plus 8 plus 3 which is equal to 8 plus 3 that is 11, 11 plus 5 that is 16, and 2 plus 9 plus 3 that is 14. So we have 16, 2 more than 14. And similarly we have 4 plus 8 plus 8 that is 16 plus 4 that is 20. And if you look at the options, there is only one option that is satisfying the given conditions, that is 378, which is sum out to be 3 plus 7 plus 8, that comes out to be 8 plus 7 15 plus 3 18. So it is 2 more than the given sum. So therefore the answer is second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. Question is, choose the one number which is similar to the numbers in the given set. 131, 243, 355. Solution is, look at the numbers carefully. You will be able to observe that there is a pattern among the going on between the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3. So the next number will be 4. And similarly, we have a pattern of 3. Then we have 4. Then we have 5. So the next number will be 6. Similarly, if you look at the pattern of 1, then we have a gap of 2, 3. Then we have a gap of 2, 5. Then again there will be a gap of 2. And then we'll be having 7. So this sequence is obtained as first term is going sequentially. Similarly, the second and third term is going leaving 2 spaces. So the answer is second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, choose that set of numbers from 4 alternatives that is similar to the given set. The set is 49, 25 and 9. The solution is, if you look at the given set 49, 25 and 9, this set we have 9 as 3 square, 25 as 5 square and 49 as 7 square. So it is a square of 3 consecutive alternate numbers in the reverse order. So we have to again search the same set which is having the same relationship. If you look at the set first, that is 36, 16 and 4, again we have 4 as 2 square, we have 16 as 4 square and we have 36 as 6 square. So it is again going in the reverse order. So the answer is first. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question there is some relationship between the 2 terms of the left of the sign, and same relationship holds between the 2 terms to its right. Also in each question one term either to the right of the sign or to the left of it is missing. The term is given as one of the alternatives. Find out this term. Question is, ACE is to FHJ is to OQS is to what? So the solution is, if you look at the series which is given to us, we'll be able to observe that after each term we are moving 5 letters forward. That is from A to F, from F to O, from C to E, then C to H, then H to Q. So in every step we are moving 5 letters forward. So from O, if we count 5 letters forward, it will be T. From C, then H, then Q. From Q, if we count 5 letters forward, it will be V. And from S, 5 letters forward will be X. So we can say that in every step we are moving 5 letters forward. So the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each question there is some relationship between the 2 terms to the left of the sign, and same relationship holds between the 2 terms to its right. Also in each question one term either to the right of the sign or to the left of it is missing. The term is given as one of the alternatives. Find out this term. Solution is, if you look at the terms, the order of the letters of the first group is reversed and the middle small letter is replaced by capital letter. To obtain the second group. So we can say that when we are moving from this particular group to this group, A is reversed to its position, like A here is on the third position and here it comes on the first, and the remaining alphabets are made it capital. So we can say that same is the relationship that goes with R, R, B. It will be B that will come in the first position, and then it will be R that will change its sign. So the answer will be second. Thank you.